Linear inequalities are solved very similar to linear equations, except here we have an inequality symbol. So the first step is to remove the parentheses by distributing the negative 4. So we'll have negative 4x minus 8 is greater than 3x plus 20. Now we need to get our x terms on the same side of the inequality. So we're going to move the smaller of the two. So negative 4x is smaller than 3x. We will add 4x to both sides of the inequality. Now we have negative 8 is greater than 7x plus 20. Now we need to get the constant terms together on the same side. So subtract 20 from both sides of the inequality. We have negative 28 is greater than 7x. Now we're going to divide by 7. And we have negative 4 is greater than x. This can also be read, if you go from right to left, it can be read as x is less than negative 4. Now for an inequality, we need to graph the solution on a number line. You just need to put the number negative 4 on the number line, and x is less than negative 4, so we want all of the numbers smaller than negative 4, so I draw a squiggly arrow. The negative 4 is not included, so here we use a round parenthesis to denote that the negative 4 is not included. Now you need your interval notation, and you can take your interval notation right from your number line. This number way down here, very, very small, is negative infinity, and we're going up to negative 4. We're not including the negative 4, so that's why we have the round parenthesis by it. And you cannot include negative infinity, so that's why we put a round parenthesis by the negative infinity as well. All right, the next problem, again, we need to remove parentheses by using the distributive property. So we'll have 7y plus 28 minus 13 is less than or equal to 12 plus 39 plus 13y. Now, we need to combine like terms on each side of the inequality. So there's only one variable term, 7y. 28 minus 13 is a positive 15, is less than or equal to. 12 plus 39 is 51 plus 13y. Now, if you wish, you can combine your variable terms so that they're always on the left. It doesn't matter. My rule of thumb is I'm going to move the variable term that's smaller. 7y is smaller than 13y, so I'm going to subtract 7y from both sides of the inequality. So 15 is less than or equal to 51 plus 6y. Now subtract 51 from both sides of the inequality, and we're left with negative 36 is less than or equal to 6y. Divide by 6, and we end up with negative 6 is less than or equal to y. Now again, this is reading from left to right, but if we go from right to left, we could read this as y is greater than or equal to negative 6. So we're going to graph on a number line. You just need to show the negative 6. We know y is going to be greater than the negative 6, so draw your squiggly arrow to the right. We get to include the negative 6, so here you're going to put a square parenthesis or a square bracket. Now, to write your interval notation, we're going from negative 6 to, this number way up here is infinity. We get to include the negative 6, so use the square bracket. You cannot include infinity. We don't know what that number is, so put your round parenthesis next to the infinity.